Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use and manage the student grading system effectively with the Academy LMS Grade Book add-on. First, ensure both the free and pro version of Academy LMS installed and activated. Next, enable the Gradebook add-on from Academy LMS add-ons section. Then, head to the Academy LMS Gradebook menu and click Grade Builder. Here you can find the default grade list, which you can customize and delete. To customize grades, click Edit next to the grade. Update the title, points, color, or percent range as required. To add new grades, click Add New Grade button. Fill in the grade title, points, color, and percent range, then click Add Grade. Your grades are now ready to be used in quizzes and assignments. From now, when students complete their courses, you can see their grades from the Student option of the Gradebook Addon menu. Click Details for individual student grades. And that's how easy it is to use Academy LMS Gradebook add-on. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.